Fasten your seatbelts and prepare for takeoff. Because today we're soaring high above the clouds of the rat race to explore the exhilarating world where artificial/intelligence meets financial freedom. In this eye-opening adventure, we will uncover the secrets of getting rich with AI and reveal how this cutting-edge technology can be your ticket to a life of luxury and abundance. So, if you're ready to break free from the ordinary and embrace a future of limitless possibilities, make sure to watch the video until the end, because I have a special gift for you, something that could change your life forever. But for now, let's dive right in and discover the AI side hustles that are already making waves in the digital ocean of opportunities. No. 1. AI side hustles. The first step towards getting rich with AI is by embracing the gig economy and exploring the plethora of AI side hustles available. From freelance writing and virtual assistants to social media management and graphic design, the possibilities are as endless as the digital realm itself. Imagine being your own boss, setting your own hours, and working from anywhere in the world with just your laptop and an internet connection. With AI by your side, you can conquer any task with ease and efficiency, impressing your clients and boosting your income. But remember, the key to success lies in identifying your unique skills and passions, and then leveraging AI tools to enhance them. Whether you're a wordsmith, a creative genius, or a tech-savvy entrepreneur, there is an AI side hustle out there for you. Number 2. Automating business. To truly get rich with AI, you must embrace the power of automation and streamline your business processes like never before. Picture this: you're running a business, and every day you find yourself bogged down by repetitive tasks, feeling like a hamster on a wheel. But what if I told you that you could break free from this cycle and create a business that runs like a well-oiled machine? By harnessing the power of AI, you can automate those mundane tasks and free up your time to focus on what really matters, growing your business and generating more wealth. Imagine having a virtual assistant that never takes a break, a customer service chatbot that handles inquiries instantly, or an AI-powered marketing tool that targets the right customers with laser precision. With AI automation, these dreams can become a reality, and you can finally break free from the limitations of manual labor. Number 3. AI investing. Get ready to take your investments to the next level with AI investing, the game-changing strategy that has the potential to skyrocket your wealth. Unlike traditional investing methods, AI investing uses artificial intelligence and data-driven algorithms to analyze market trends, identify profitable opportunities, and optimize your investment portfolio. Just imagine the possibilities. With AI by your side, you can make informed investment decisions in a fraction of the time, leaving the guesswork to luck. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious beginner, AI investing offers a world of benefits that can help you maximize your returns and achieve financial success. Number 4. Creating with AI. The next step towards getting rich with AI is by harnessing the power of creation. With AI-powered tools at your disposal, you can create high-quality content, products and services that people actually want. Think about it. In today's digital world, content is king, and AI can help you create engaging and valuable content that captures your audience attention. You can leverage AI to generate ideas, write scripts, create stunning visuals, and even manage your social media presence. So, whether you're a blogger, a podcaster, a course creator, or a product-based business owner, AI can supercharge your creativity and help you monetize your passion. No. 5. The future of wealth. As we approach the latter half of this exhilarating journey, it's time to turn our attention to the future of wealth and explore the incredible opportunities that await us. The future of wealth is not just about accumulating money, but about building a legacy that will stand the test of time. And AI is at the forefront of this transformation. Imagine a world where your financial decisions are guided by intelligent algorithms that anticipate market trends and optimize your investments. Picture a life where your assets grow exponentially, providing you with financial freedom and security for years to come. The future of wealth is within reach, and it's time to embrace the possibilities that AI offers. And there you have it, folks. 5 incredible ways to get rich with AI. The possibilities are truly endless, and the future is brimming with exciting opportunities for those who dare to dream big and take action. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these tips are you most excited about? And how do you plan to incorporate AI into your journey towards financial success? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos that will inspire and empower you on your path to greatness. Remember, the future is yours to shape. So go out there, embrace the power of AI, and create the life you've always dreamed of, too. Until next time, keep hustling, keep innovating, and keep believing in the power of your dreams. I'll see you on the next one.